Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making this Memory Dex to document March in my year of memories. So stay tuned. All right, let's get into it. My photo is done printing. It's right here. So obviously I'm going to be documenting my son buying his first brand new car. I've already picked out my papers. I think I'm going to use these three. What do you guys? I wish you guys could tell me what you think. I think these will look good. I'm going to put this stuff off to the side because I do have to cut all of these papers. We need them. I can never remember the size, you guys. All right, I need to open up my Cricut software, so I need to put my glasses on so I can see. And why does it look really dark in here? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, well, I was not paying attention. We'll fully admit that. And I cut them opposite of what I wanted to do. But you know what? It's fine. We're just going to roll with it. We're just going to roll with it. And then I need to figure out, this is a really big picture. I could have probably, no, but still. This is a really big picture, so we need to trim it down so it'll fit as best as we can. So that's still going to be way too big. Way too big. I'm going to have to cut off some of the car. That's all right. The car will survive. There we go. Cut off some of the car. And then I'm going to use, I think, I don't think I have. Is this going to be big enough? Did I cut that crooked? I totally cut that crooked. Very much crooked. There we go. Is this going to be... Yes, I can mat it on this. I need to take my glasses off so I can see. My old eyes. Okay. And then we're going to trim, and I'm not even on camera. I'm not paying any attention. It's been a day. It's been a day. All right, good enough. Good enough. Let me get rid of some of this garbage. And then we can find... Oh, let's glue this together. Shall we? I think we shall. I have not been down here and have crafted in a very long time until yesterday. Until yesterday, there was actually no room on my desk because my bookshelf that I had next to my desk was broken. So while we had the dumpster, I got rid of the bookshelf, and then I just bought myself one of those metal shelves from Amazon. But I had stuff everywhere. Everywhere. But everything's done now, thankfully. We just have to wait for them to come pick up the dumpster. Oh, I can write on the back. I'm going to pause and do my journaling on the back. I don't ever show that, but I'll be back. Okay, I have chipboard, ephemera, sticker book, and puffy stickers. Let's go through and see what we can use for decorations. For this. feel like I want to use photographic evidence and I don't know why. I don't know why. I think I am going to use documented. Capture the moment. Now, capturing the moment would have been if I would have been able to take a picture at the car dealership, but he never would have allowed that. The guy actually was like, do you want to hold up a sign that says my first car? He's like, it's not my first car. I'm like, well, it's your first brand new car. That's like a big deal. Okay. And I want to use happy memories because this will forever be a happy memory. No! A sticker went flying. No! I need to stop putting them on the edge of my desk. I lost the other one too. Okay. I need to stop putting them on the edge of my desk. I do it all the time. And then, is that repeated? Yes. Right? Yes. What about the puffies? Anything on here? I think I kind of want to use the camera. I haven't even opened these yet. Haven't used a single one. But I'm going to use the camera. All right. So, I think I'm just going to have it right there. And then I can do capture the moment, documented, and happy memories right there. And then do the little puffy sticker down here. Okay, I think that'll work. I think that will work. Well, now those are stuck on there, so I don't want to reprint my picture. All right, well, good thing then. I'm going to put it in the middle, right, as best as we can. I just wish I could get this. Well, they're all straight. It's just that capture the moment is curved, and then there we go. So there we go. That is our March. If I can find my, oh, here it is. Okay, so we have January, February. I need to get an actual box. I keep crushing this one because I keep losing it. So there we go. February, January, February, March. Memories documented. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.